welcome very back to another video of Bowl and Doom. I'm just going to put this light. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the ultimate square. Look, it might seem seamless, but it's actually not. It has some folds inside it. So it's not seamless, it's just a square. So, it's also a flicker. And I'll show you other techniques later. So here's the flicker one. Okay. Oh wait, no, that was a trash one. I need to flick it again. That was a really bad one. Woo. See that? You see that? So, that's one of the things you can do with it. And it can kind of be an oscillation fidget spinner. Just kind of. Okay, maybe it's not. But you can blow on it. Oh, and then you can make it spin. Well, and it's gone. But you need some practice to make this spin. And it's gone again. So this also could be like a little. If you draw a face, you can be a creeper finger puppet, and you're like, oh, I'm a creeper, haha. I'm also a big creeper. If you know Minecraft. I've got a few more of these squares. It's already been 2 minutes filming this video in. So, this square. So, I'm going to show you the flicker style again and hope it works. I'm going to show you all the things that you can do with it again. Do you see that one? I think you did. And here's the blowing style. I'm really bad at it, by the way. Oh, I guess it's gone. Time to make a new one, shall we? So, to make this thing, you're going to have a square sheet of paper. Doesn't have to be origami, but I'm going to use some origami paper. So, let me get something real quick. Just gonna get a stand so you can see what I am folding. If I don't, then you're gonna be like, what the are you talking about, kid? Like, I have no idea what you're saying, man. I don't have any idea what you're saying. What? Okay, so here's my camera. Just gonna put it on the stand, and then we'll be all ready. Put it on the stand. Put it on the stand. Oh, I put it on the stand. What's a lock? No, I don't want a lock. There we go. I'm brighter. It's dark and creepy. Oh, it's so dark. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I might change the thing what I'm using, but for now, I'm just going to be using origami. No, I'm going to just be using a phone. So basically, first things first, have white side up, or if you're using colored paper, cut out square, you can use any side. Or if it's cut out square, yeah, if it's, you can still use anything. So, first thing you need to do is, can you see the paper? I think you cannot. Now can you? Now can you? You can. So first things first, you fold it in half diagonally. Remember to crease sharply. Unfold, and if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Yep, and then you unfold, and then fold diagonally and half the others on the other side. Unfold. So we're gonna make this an 8x8 table. So we're gonna fold in half. Okay, fold in half, unfold, and then fold the other way in half. Unfold, and then you should, I'm gonna flip it over because it's gonna be easier for you to see. You should get something like this, the folds. So then, after you do that, I still have white side up. You fold these corners to the middle, and that will make it. And 4x4 table, you repeat the same on the other side, and then repeat on the other side. You had it like this, fold it in like that. Then you have this. Unfold everything, and then repeat on the other side. Fold it to that, and then fold it to that, and then you have to fold everything. Now you have the 4x4 table. We're gonna use it actually, not the 8x8 table. Sorry, we're actually gonna use a 4x4 table. Fold this corner to this crease over here. So you're gonna fold this corner to this crease over here. This corner, this small corner, to here. I'm gonna just do that. And then unfold and repeat it on the other three sides. So fold it like that. But then you fold this all the way over here. So it looks like a house after you fold it. Should get something like this, and you get a house. And then after you've done that, I'll show you again. Fold it like that, and then fold it like that. Done that. You have to fold this corner also up to here, so that there's a flap pointing out. And then fold this one all the way down, following this crease over here. So then this, and if you turn it over, it should look something like this. That's basically our base of the square. We're nearly done. So then after you do that, fold this in like that. And then unfold and do the same on this side. And fold this flap into the pocket over here. into there. Hold this flap into that pocket over there. And then you should get that one. And then flip this flip this flap. Put that flap to this pocket. And there you go. That's your square. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!